Ang isa sa mga nagulat kami, sir, during the interpellation of Minority Leader Coco Pimentel, mas mataas pala yung power rate sa mga household kumpara sa commercial customer. Tama ba?
Yes, yes. And it was
Akala namin pag commercial, mas mataas
it
ang
was
rate.
explained kasi mas maraming unlike yung sa commercial, maraming nag-share eh. Malapit lang, maliit yung mga kable. Hindi siya yung, for example, you go from a far-flung area, dadalhin yung kable doon, and mas mataas talaga yung cost.
Expensive.
And even, yes, and even ERC, ang bottom line dito is talagang we have to empower and trust that ERC will do its job. Kasi at the end of the day, yung pagsingil ng Meralco o ng anumang o sino man na distribution utility ang papasa unless ito ay